Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a sound or audio effect to your audio projects on LMMS. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your audio project here on LMMS, click into view at the top and enable the FX mixer here. Use the shortcut F9. What you want to do after that is use that button here, for example, to add your first chain of effects, and then click into this button to add an effect and go through that list of effects. Now I'm not going to play these for copyright reasons, but you can use any of these here. For example, let me go with that one here, click into OK, and then guys, the effect will be added to that list here of effects chain. And you may, for example, customize it by clicking into these buttons here, right? For example, for this setting here, enter the value there, click into OK, and that way customize the given sound effect. Now, if you'd like to listen to it, guys, you can do that by clicking into that play button in the top left. But due to copyright reasons, I can't do that right now, so you'll need to listen to it yourself. And that's actually how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.